Lithe lingabumbana nje ihora lesishiyagalombili ebusuku abakwasidlodlo bathi phuma ngapha ngiphume ngapha sibakake. Ngesikhathi ezungeza izindawo ukuhlola isimo ukubheka bephula umthetho wesikhathi sewashi abehlomezi ngovolo kwazise abelindele noma yini. Bekuthule cwaka emgaqweni yaseHillbrow evame ukuba nesiphithiphithi sabantu. Izakhamuzi ebezivele ngamafastela ezinye zime emphemeni yamabhilidi bezihlokoma zibingelela abakwasidlodlo abebezungeza.
We've arrested a lot of people who were conveying liquor, some they were drunk, and we've also arrested another individual who was in possession of firearm and lots of ammunition and could not produce a license for that. So as we speak, this person is behind bars. We believe that our operations are yielding positive results thus far. And when we were in Santen, we have seen that there were so many cars on the road. Yes, but after we flooded Santen, it becomes like a desert.
Liqeda kuzilahla kunina imeya yomkhandlu udolobha iGoli ikhanyise ikhandlela lokubuyisa ethemba ebhulohweni Nelson Mandela.
Let the Lord hear the prayers today that we need to find a solution to this virus that's decimating our communities. Let the Lord hear prayers that our people and the residents of Johannesburg, they must comply at least to the regulations to save their own lives.
Bekuthule ezingxenyeni eziningi zeSoweto okungenye izindawo okuphephetha ngamandla kuyo iCovid-19 izakhamuzi ezimbalwa zemukele u2021 ngeziqhumane njengenjwayelo. Amaphoyisa athi ukusebenza ngokubambisana kulesifunda kwasebenzele kulawula isimo ngendlela kanti kunxuswa izakhamuzi kuba zilandele imigomo ebekiwe ukunqanda ukusabalala kweCovid-19.